What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Yes, so right about now, guys, I am heading to the seafood market. I've been craving fry fish for the longest, so I'm gonna grab some nice fresh red snapper and some live lobster. So just keep watching and I'll see you in a bit.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you
Look at this, guys. Spanish mackerel. This is $6.99 a pound. Alright, so I might get one of this, or, well, I'm gonna get some snapper. We're gonna do snapper today, guys. I'm gonna get these small ones. How they small?
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate.
Yeah, man, so we're gonna scale it up, guys. Scale up the snapper them. So after we scale it up, we're gonna add some seasoning, a little bit of oil, and drop them on the grill with some callaloo, some stuffed callaloo and okra. Yeah, man. Real way. Alright, guys, so we're just gonna make a little cut like this, and then we're gonna add the seasoning. So now we're gonna add some oil. So we're gonna add the seasoning same way, and then we're gonna season up the inside same way. This is go nice, guys, may I tell you. Once you start grilling your fish like this, directly on the heat on the charcoal or the wood, trust me, you're never going back. It's gonna make a big difference. Stir it up. Look at that. Them look pretty already. So now we're just gonna season the inside. Alright, I think we're good. So now we're gonna try the add in some scotch bonnet pepper in it, you know. Add in a little spice, some hotness to it, you know. Yeah, man. If you don't like the spice, just don't add the spice to it. Don't add the scotch bonnet pepper, but you can add your fish seasoning or any seasoning blend that you have at home. You see me I say? Yeah, man. Just like that. Alright, so everything having pepper. We're going to try adding a little bit of callaloo to it. We're not overstuff it because we don't want to fall out, you know. And as I said earlier, this is going directly on the grill, just like this. Yeah, man, we're not wasting no time, you know. Alright, I'm gonna try to fit everything on the grill. I don't know if that's gonna work, but we're gonna try same way. Sizzling. Yeah, man, so I hit that for now. So we'll make them go on grill, as me I say. Yeah, man, so we're going to roast the fish them on the first side for about 5 minutes until them nice and crispy on the outside. You know, have a nice little charness to it. You know, a little burnt mark. And then we'll go flip them over to the next side. Repeat the same step and then we'll go close it down. You know, and make the smoke and the heat do the work. Yeah, man. So let's go and watch the video. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and try to flip them. Alright, so go eat a nice little flip, just like that. Take your time and roll it over, you know. May I tell you, this is going to taste good. Ooh. Ooh. This one is kind of falling apart, guys. These are like very delicate, so you got to take your time, you know. Yeah, man. So everything looking good so far, guys. But I'm gonna see what I go on. Yeah, man, so we're going to close back down the grill now. Then go and roast for about 5 more minutes. And everything should be good. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, the fish then looking good, guys. Let's eat. Watch it. Crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside, you know, stuff with the callaloo and everything. Ready for go, you know, ready for go up on the plate. So we go up, make you know how I go on. So yeah, in about a few seconds, I'm gonna do a taste test and make you know how it turn out. Yes, it. Tastes good. No flavor in it, you know. Well seasoned, you can taste the freshness of the fish. You can tell, so then just catch that one, yeah. Just take it out of the ocean, you know. Can't afford to waste any of this, you know. It's that good. Try some of my callaloo, you know. Pepper. Fish nice, man. Yeah, man, if you enjoy watching the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing recipes. Peace.